This video, I'm going to show you the 3 guarantee marks you can get from your Module 6A exam. These 3 marks will come from the case studies range accrual notes. Almost every student that go for the exams will get range accrual notes case studies. The 3 marks will come from number 1, the maximum and the minimum return. Number 2, range accrual notes is same as a fixed deposit. Early termination is not allowed. Point number 3, there is a capital preservation, that is to say, capital protection in the range accrual notes. In my online mock papers, you will have at least about 10 questions for you to practice on range accrual notes case studies.